So what are Nordic countries doing to decarbonize? I would say it's a mix of different incentives and technologies. Norway, for example, has been a pioneer in electric vehicle adoption. And with subsidies, they've achieved something like 80% adoption of EVs among new vehicles registered in 2023. And electricity in Norway is already largely green, with the use of hydroelectric power and now more wind capacity. Sweden also has a lot of hydroelectric power and also biofuels from our forestry industry. But the government there, I think, has gone a little different direction recently, where they've lowered fuel taxes and loosened standards for biofuel mix or blending in diesel and gas to help support drivers with lower costs. So this is in fact increasing our carbon emissions in the short to medium term, which is quite controversial. Industry in Sweden, on the other hand, is investing heavily in decarbonization. So one of our truck manufacturers, for example, has committed to 100% green steel, batteries, aluminum and iron castings as soon as 2030, which is a big challenge. And now their suppliers have to step up to meet this challenge. And in fact, in Sweden, we have 2 major projects for green steel production using hydrogen. These companies are looking to be the first movers in this green steel production. And of course, that requires a lot of green electricity in turn. So the Swedish government again is now looking to add wind power in the short to medium term and then longer term more nuclear power to meet that demand. And of course, the distribution network also needs to be strengthened in a large country like Sweden. So there's many different factors to make this equation add up to decarbonize in the Nordic countries.